So today, my 2019 Raptor 700 is going to get its first performance modification. What I've got right here in my hand is the Dynojet Power Commander V, paired with the Yoshimura RS2 exhaust to help this bike run a little bit better. Right now it runs a little bit lean, a little bit underpowered. I'm going to throw a time lapse in here of me installing the Power Commander V. If you guys want a very informative video, be sure to check the link down in the description for Dynojet's website. They have a step-by-step tutorial that maps out everything you need to know, does every step, and they do a great job. Alright guys, so I've got basically everything taken off, taking the gas tank off. As you can see, there's a lot of grime down there, so I think the best plan of action is going to be to roll this outside and give it a good bath and grease everything up, and then we'll go ahead and install the tuner. But there's a lot of dirt down there, so we're going to cover this stuff, tape this up here, and we should be good. I'm gonna go ahead and roll this thing outside and get it washed off. Alright, so I just switched over to my iPhone just to finish this up. The GoPro died. So we sent the map, said map sent successfully. So we're going to try and give it its first start up. We're in neutral. Here we go. All right, couldn't ask for better. I never get anything on the first try. All right, so since we're all good, I'm gonna go ahead and put all the parts back on, and then we'll be ready to take this thing to 10 mile MX. I'm excited.